The Pegasus scandal is expected to have ripples in Parliament today as the opposition plans to corner the government over the issue. Sources have said that the opposition parties will hold a strategy meet at the Parliament House at 10 a.m. to discuss the alleged illegal surveillance through the Israeli spyware Pegasus on political leaders, journalists, bureaucrats, and others. Trinamool Congress's Sukhendu Shekhar Rai has given 267 notice seeking suspension of rules of business in the Rajya Sabha for discussion on Pegasus. The upper house was likely to discuss COVID management today afternoon. Later on Monday, the agenda showed that new IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will make a statement regarding compromise of phone data of some persons as reported in the media after 2 pm. In a statement in Lok Sabha on Monday, Vaishnav had called it a sensational story without any substance. The web portal's report itself clarifies that the presence of a number does not amount to snooping, the minister said, whose number was also apparently on the alleged list of potential targets for spying. Actor Shilpa Shetty's husband, businessman Raj Kundra, has been arrested by the Mumbai police over a case involving pornographic films. The Mumbai police said they arrested Kundra on Monday as he appears to be the key conspirator of this. The police also said they have sufficient evidence against him, though they added that further investigations are in progress. The case involving creation of pornographic films and publishing them through some apps was registered with the Mumbai Crime Branch in February this year. There was a case registered with the Crime Branch Mumbai in February 2021 about the creation of pornographic films and publishing them through some apps. We have arrested Raj Kundra in this case as he appears to be a key conspirator of this. We have sufficient evidence regarding this, the Mumbai Police Commissioner said in a statement. Denying any wrongdoing, Raj Kundra had sought anticipatory bail in the case. Two sadhus were beaten by a mob in Madhya Pradesh's Dhar district over rumors of child abduction. A video of the mob beating the sadhus has gone viral on social media. The incident took place in Dhanand village of Dhar. According to the police, the two sadhus were travelling to Indore from Dhanand when they lost their way and asked for directions from some kids playing on the roadside. The kids got scared by the sadhus and ran away. This was spotted by some locals who suspected that the sadhus to be child lifters and started thrashing them. According to the additional SP Dhar Devendra Patidar, the locals brought the sadhus to the police station alleging they were child lifters. The police also accessed the videos of the incident in which the sadhus were being thrashed. Rockets landed near Afghan presidential palace in Kabul on Tuesday during the prayers from Eid al-Adha as per reports. Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani and others in the vicinity had to stop the prayers after multiple loud explosions shook the area, Reuters said, quoting TV reports. There were no immediate reports of injuries. Sources said 3 rockets landed in areas near the presidential palace during prayers on Tuesday. Rockets were fired from Parwane Se area and landed in Baghe Ali Mardan and Chamane Hazori areas in Kabul District 1 and Manabi Bashri area in Kabul's District 2, the sources said. Dr. Poonam Khetrapal Singh, Regional Director of the World Health Organization Southeast Asia, on Monday said that India has been offered 7.5 million doses of Moderna vaccine through the global health body's COVID-19 Vaccine Global Access, that is COVAX program. However, there is no clarity so far when the jabs would be available in the country as WHO said that the availability is subject to clearance of indemnity clause. Last month, the Drugs Controller General of India had granted restricted emergency use to Moderna for its COVID-19 vaccine. The doses are to be imported by Indian drug manufacturer Cipla but will be under the purview of the central government. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul had recently said that the government is working actively with Moderna to see how its COVID-19 vaccine can be imported and be made available in the country. According to the sources, the Indian government has put forth certain conditions for finalizing the indemnity clause contract and has sent it to the US drug manufacturer for their perusal.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.